Uma umntana kaNkulunkulu sukuba lixelekho yakwaseceleni kwakho ukuthi kuthethwa nawe. iBhayibheli likhuluma enye into lithi everything should be done in decency and in order. Mawufika endlini yomntana kaNkulunkulu into yokuqala nje it has to be clean. Omunye weza kimi wathi hayi tata ngicela ungithandazele into zami zibopile. Umoya kaNkulunkulu wathi hamba umtshela hamba endlini ayokwenza spring cleaning. After 7 days wathola umsebenzi. There are some blessings you cannot have them uma kumdaka. Seva? So put your house in order. Akungathiwa ugcwala ecaweni kodwa indlu yakho upside down. Njengoba sikubona apha asithi nasifika endlini yakho sibone lento esiyibona kuwe. You must reflect la uphuma khona wena.